What did you do to her?
What imaginary cause are you getting all hysterical over now?
I know that you hurt Sinead, just like I know you switched those books to mess with me.
I've got no idea what you're talking about.
Yeah? Then why are you going to anger management?
I'm not. Can you get out of my way, please? I need to get home to my wife.
I know that you hurt Sinead.
Will you just shut up? What is it with you women always going on? You never know when to stop, do you?
I knew it. You are everything I thought you were. Worse. And I'm not going to let you touch her again.
How do you think you're going to stop me?